Yo, so I was thinking about, for what it's worth here. All right, hold on, hear me out. Hold on, don't leave yet. Hold on, hear me out. Hold on, Lonely Island. Come on. What? You've never listened to them? Anyways, I'm just saying that you could absolutely do this. One little thing. All right. You know soda, right? There's like soda shit. Soda's a thing. You know what I mean? So I was all like, there's this thing in soda that reacts with the plastic on the inside of these aluminum cans, but it's also itself this, where there's a compound in soda that makes you more resistant to your insulin, right? But it's a flavor and everyone uses it. Okay, so I was like, all right, I'll use that because, who gives a fuck? You want your soda. It's okay, right? I'll put a bunch of glucose in it. I'll put some banana flavoring, some chocolate, some peanut butter, right? I'll put some kiwis in there, right? It's pure glucose, though. Only glucose. That's all that's allowed. We can use it very well. I put a lot of that fucking great flavoring in there for your insulin. You know what I mean? But don't worry, it's also got ice cubes made out of these peptides that are fully legal that are being researched right now for Alzheimer's and dementia. They increase dopamine by a lot. Fun stuff, right? Easy all day. You just freeze cubes of ice, cold water. Of course, they're not just ice, really, honestly speaking. But, they're cold and it's water with them in it. You know what I mean? That's standard stuff, right? But don't worry. I also got some milk here and some eggs. Well, egg extract, but to be specific, I know it'd be like leucine, but there's a little bit more. There's like some choline, you know what I mean? Anyways, but we're also going into, there's the female side of us, right? But also males can do this, and it really doesn't matter, truthfully. But it's a certain liquid that mammary glands produce that are, of course, wonderfully treated with pasteurization and allowed to, of course, be filtered, and all those nasty, nasty things are taken out. Now, there's a 3D model, of course, that has a package in between the legs on the back of the can with a banana there that has some chocolate and peanut butter with a kiwi on one side and an egg on another. Sophistically spraying some milk here, of course. Now, it's holographic and shiny because it harkens back to those days. It's wonderful. It's great. We all love it. Because it's called Real Life Shiny Soda. That's right. It's called the Real Life Shiny Soda. Now, it's holographic, so it's, of course, got a little bit of the rainbow in there. But don't worry, everybody. It's way safer, way cleaner. It's got all the natural ingredients. You got it, right? It's super, super nutritious, all those things. And that's why it's being marketed to all of those individuals over there that happen to have won these elections, obviously.